used milk parlor. Anyone has to be come here for milking. These are the milking buckets. Mini dispensary. This is the fruit garden. There are nearby 32 variety of fruits at here. Here is the poultry. All are the desi chicks.